When you think of background removers, you might picture professional designers or photographers using them. But in reality, tools like CleanPix are designed for everyone, and they can simplify a lot of daily tasks. Here are 5 surprisingly useful ways to use a background remover in your everyday life, even if you have zero design experience. 1. Improve your resume or LinkedIn profile picture. A clean, distraction-free headshot can help you stand out professionally. Use CleanPix to remove the messy background from your selfie or portrait and place it on a solid color that matches your personal brand. It's perfect for job applications, LinkedIn profiles, memo digital resumes, and portfolios. 2. Create custom birthday or event invitations. Want to design a fun birthday card or baby shower invite? Use CleanPix to cut out a photo of your child, pet, or friend and place it into a colorful template. It makes invitations feel more personal and creative. 3. Make school projects and ID photos look. Professional students and parents can use CleanPix to prepare presentations and posters, school ID photos with plain backgrounds, college applications that need formal images. It's free, fast, and works directly from your phone. Perfect for last-minute school projects. 4. Design unique social media graphics. Remove your photo background and use the result in Instagram stories or profile covers, memes or content posts, promotional flyers or announcements. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Just upload the cutout image to Canva or any free design app and let your creativity flow. 5. Sell items online with cleaner product photos. If you're listing items on OLX, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Etsy, a cluttered background can reduce buyer interest. Use CleanPix to highlight your product by removing the background and giving it a crisp, studio-like look, even if you took the photo at home. Bonus: print your own stickers or t-shirt art. Upload your photo, remove the background, and turn it into custom art prints, die-cut stickers, t-shirt, iron-on graphics for t-shirts and bags. Why CleanPix is perfect for everyday users. No sign-up required. Just upload and download, free to use. No hidden fees or limits. No watermark. Use your images anywhere. Mobile-friendly. Works on any phone or desktop browser. Get started with CleanPix. Today, CleanPix makes it easy for anyone to remove image backgrounds without apps, subscriptions, or editing skills. Whether you're updating your profile or designing your next gift card, this tool is a daily lifesaver.